remember, let's take a tour of right here. Right here. I'm at the Harbor Boulevard train bridge in West Sacramento, where this person got killed by a Capital Corridor train. So this happened right here. It happened around 9:45 in the evening. According to police, someone been taking this as a shortcut, and they don't know how to stay off the tracks. This is the walkway right here, where this person taking that as a shortcut right here. And trains could reduce speed at over 70 miles per hour when you get struck and killed by a train. And if that train goes over 70 miles per hour, when somebody sees a train, if you don't hear it, the train will hit you and you get struck and killed by a train. And please remember, stay off the tracks. Use Harbor Boulevard to get around if you're coming home from school or any places. Go figured. In West Sacramento, Ghimenti, Video Live News.